So let's go web search for the Mona Lisa, for example, and we'll find a Mona Lisa. There's one. And I right click on the image and copy image. So just like that, copy image. Now what do I have to do? Go to the menu User My Uploads. So that's up here, User My Uploads. Well, I'll tell you what, we leave the tutorial here. So I'll go to the menu over on this tab. User My Uploads. So what your uploads are all the things that you can upload to the site, which is images, music, and some more complex things like three-dimensional models you can upload. So to upload, generally speaking, there's a quick way of uploading and a longer way. You can choose a file from your hard disk, but if you've actually copied an image, like I just did in the browser, you can just paste, which is Control-V or perhaps Command-V. So I just paste, and that's it. So the Mona Lisa is here. It's on Ancient Brain. If I click on it, there it is, and we see the address is ancientbrain.com. The next step is to edit the JavaScript code to point to your image and not to that Earth image that we were using before. So you need the exact file name of the image. So if we go over here and we look at the URL over here, and then we go to the editor. Now I'm just going to paste that in for a second. I'll paste it in as a comment. So you can put anything in as a comment and just take a look at it. All right, so clearly the format is you don't put in the HTTP stuff. So if I take everything after the server name and I copy that in here in place of earth.jpg, should look like that, starts with a slash, and okay, so save, and that should be it, basically. Now let's just run, and there we go. So if we just go back and look at the code again, this is the address of a resource that's on ancientbrain.com. There are a bunch of resources that are built in. There are ones that you can upload, but of course there are other users on the site. There's 1,000 other users, and they've uploaded stuff as well, and you can use it all. So you can put any of those images that they've uploaded onto your cube. So let's go and do that. So in the tutorial it says in the search box select uploads to see what other people have uploaded. So I'm going to do it over here. We search their uploads, and we'll search for Earth, for example. And we get a bunch of Earths. So there's a lot of Earths other than the one. It was earth.1.jpg, I think we were using. So let's use this one here, earth.4. So what we need to do is select the bit of the URL after the host name, go over to the editor, and paste it in about here. That looks about right. And save and run, and we're done. We took another user's upload, we stuck it into our Ancient Brain world, and you can do that with all of their resources.